So hello friends, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I am going to show you top 15 alternative apps for Chinese. So in this video I am going to show you all the top 15 which we are using the apps for the Chinese and its alternative. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So watch the full video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below and share this video with your friends and family members. So now let's get into the topic.